Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. Alright, so let's begin with finding and opening the settings. So let's find and open them. And here, let me go back quickly. And here in this general list, we have to scroll and find the option display and brightness. Here we have to scroll and find the option auto screen off. Let's tap on it. And here, as you can see, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the bottom, the longest, which is 30 minutes. So just mark the option you'd like to use and it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 30 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.